Wow.
But to make a pint of honey takes a million visits of the bee to a flower.
Wow.
For each pint of honey.
Oh
Play the numbers game.
Okay,
Okay.
what you want to do?
Set that down and then pinch it.
Pinch it, yeah. Put it on there and then pinch it. And when you pull it out, I'll put this in there. Now you see, they haven't gotten this one yet. The
Okay.
dry color. You just bring it
Set it
all
down
over.
there.
They move from the inside out.
Yeah, well, we started them in the inside.
I don't like that.
That one's. Well, see, they're starting to build a little comb on there.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So how long does it take for them to actually, after they have the cone built, to start depositing honey?
Well, first they build up.
To build up the cone?
Yeah, build up comb. Now
Right.
they're depositing honey, but all alone.
Oh, okay.
But they're using it to feed the babies.
Gotcha.
You want that one out?
Yeah. Now, actually, well, see, when you bring this one out, see, this side looks empty just like that one, but this side over here, we've got filled out.
Listen to them.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, you see right in the middle?
Yeah.
That strip, that's the babies.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I tell you what, since that's got babies in it, let's just sit it right back in there.
Okay.
Sit up against this one. Because, they have to keep the groove at 93 degrees. You don't want them chilling out. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's them. All right, see this one's
Wow.
You see it's got uncapped
Uh-huh.
and capped.
And capped.
And then this is honey that's capped up here.
Oh.
I think she's gone to town here.
Yep.
Where's the queen?
The queen is not.
I don't see her on this one.
Yeah, you don't often see it.
So the babies are the yellow and the honey is the white.
Right. The babies are capped up. Is anything on that side?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that one's loaded.
Loaded with honey?
Loaded with babies.
The babies.
So the
So
queen
what's
is
this one right here doing? Is it feeding it?
feeding it and getting ready to
Cap it.
cap it.
Oh, wow, that is cool. Okay.
He's like,
Wait a second.
Look at Tim, man. Look at Tim, bold.
No, but put him in
I'll
here.
put it back in?
Yeah, let's keep him warm. And normally we would put it out there with all those babies in it. Okay, we'll put one more. See if babies can see it.
Ooh, that one's heavy.
Oh, that one's loaded. All right, now you see these down here? This is what's called burr comb, and this is always male. This is where they lay the males.
Oh, okay.
So, do you not like having males in there?
Well, you just don't want the burr comb out there because it tends to.
Starts to gum up the outside.
Is that the larvae there?
Yeah, that's the larva.
Nice. And there's honey all in there.
Yeah, they mixed it in there with it.
Now, don't some cultures eat bee larvae?
Yeah. This.
There you go.
When you talk about
Really?
Dodie said she wasn't providing food. She lied. You get the bee larvae.
Okay, that's.
Very cool.
That is really cool.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
What's this? What are these two doing?
Going at it.
That's a little dance they do when they come back
Oh, to tell them where the...
to tell them where the
that,
nectar
guys.
is.
Get that.
Wow.
You want to put these back down?
Yeah, well, let me get these back over and then we can put these.
So you always get a lot more larvae being.
Well, this time of year, so they're trying to build up the hive.
Gotcha.
They just started with 10,000. They want to get.
Oh,
a
so this
good
is one of your
active
new
hive
ones?
Should be 60,000.
I don't want to mash you guys.
That's a casualty of war.
That's the problem. That's why you don't want to go in there too often. It's almost impossible.
Not to mash somebody?
Not to mash.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Once you start messing with that brood, they get,
Oh,
you know, up and down. They say, "Oh, nice to see you. How kind of you to visit." And then you start messing with that brood.
oh, you're like,
Time for you to leave.
Tim's like, all right, Tommy.
And actually, what they do to supplement this 1-to-1 sugar and water mixture. And they got a little. They go out in there. And really neat here. And this is what they call a small hive beetle. Is that little boy?
Uh-huh. What is that?
A small hive beetle.
Beetle?
And it is not
Welcome.
It's not welcome.
Not welcome.
What's interesting is a lot of times when you open it, especially up here, they'll herd them all up here
Uh-huh.
and seal them in with propolis. And then when you open the top, that frees them. So you'll see thousands of little small hive beetles running around all over everywhere and bees chasing them. Because they got certain, that's one of their jobs is to,
Keep the rest of the brood safe, right?
that's right. Okay.
That is really great. Thank you so much, Norman.
Is everybody happy?
I think so.